Hello everybody and welcome. Hope you're all well. Yeah, I hope you're all very well. Okay. Nice to be back. Been away for a little while. Had to have some hospital treatment. So I'm back again, my nice smiley face. All right. I just thought I'd give you a quick update video really. And what I think we should be doing in the future. Now the other day I was out pottering around the shops and I run into a friend of mine. He's got a son, I think he's 12 or 13. We went for a coffee and we're chatting away. And I said to him, just out of curiosity, what sort of IT studies are you doing at school? He said they're building a lot of circuits, simple circuits, to eventually at the end of the year they're going to be building a robot. And so I said to him, so what, how are you building this robot? What programming languages are you using? And he said, well, we use a programming language called Micropython. And he said, we did used to use BBC micros, but we've moved on to microcontroller called the ESP32. I said, oh, that's interesting. So I thought, if our kids are learning MicroPython at school, maybe we should learn it. Well, I don't know MicroPython. All I know is a cut down version of Python 3, and it's especially adapted for microcontrollers. So that's what we're going to be doing for the next month, 2 months. I am doing some research on some online courses we can do, some free online courses. So hopefully that's what we're going to be doing. Then after that, I want to try and move on. This is a couple of months in advance. And I'm going to try and build a complete home automation system. But that's way in the future. And that's for our elder kids, of course. They move through their IT education. So that's what we're going to be doing. All right. So hopefully you'll join us for our new sessions on MicroPython. Stay safe and bye-bye.